Some breaking news that's currently coming in. This is coming in from Ladakh. We're learning that a tank accident has taken place, and we're also learning that 5 army soldiers have been killed in this training exercise. This accident involved the Army's T-72 tank. This mishap reportedly happened while the tank was crossing a river in Ladakh. This is a breaking input, a very tragic incident that's taken place in Ladakh. We're crossing over to my colleague Sahil to get us more on this. Sahil, what we're learning about why this happened was that reportedly this happened while the tank was crossing a river in Ladakh, but tell us more about the semantics.
Well, in fact, this incident took place in eastern Ladakh near the line of actual control. The army has in fact issued a detailed statement wherein army has said that 5 army jawans have lost their lives because of this accident. T-72 tank, which we are learning from the sources, was being de-inducted from a training activity, and while crossing River Shok, it got stuck, and there was immediate rescue operation that was started by the army, but due to sudden increase of water level in the river, that mission was not successful, and as a result of which 5 army jawans were killed. As of now, the search operation is underway. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, Chief of Army Staff, and other ranks of army have in fact expressed their in fact condoled the sad demise of these 5 army jawans. As I said, this incident took place in eastern Ladakh near the line of actual control. Army has said in its statement that an army activity was taking place on 28th of night. In fact, this army tank was being de-inducted, and while returning to the base, this army tank had to cross a river, that's River Shok, and because of the high water level in this particular river, the tank got stuck, and the crew members of this tank basically lost their lives. 5 soldiers, as of now, we are in fact learning, and in fact officially this stands confirmed that 5 army soldiers were killed in this particular road accident. Army certainly will investigate what transpired and what led to increase into this river. In fact, what led to the increase of water levels in this particular river. But as of now, the army has said that a rescue operation is underway, and they are trying their best to in fact retrieve the dead bodies of all 5 soldiers in the region. A police team is also, in fact, we are learning from the sources that a police team is also approaching towards this spot where this accident took place early morning today. Back to you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.